Now this is so embarrassing. I haven't cleaned my room for a month and this all shows. My clothes all around the chairs, and my desk looks so messy, and the bottles are also all around the ground, and my floor is also very dusty. So I will clean this room after a month. I haven't cleaned this room for a month. So this is not just a cleaning video. This in this video you will be from what the hell is this to damn, this is so satisfying. So now let's just go for it and let me clean my room. And that's it, my room is finally clean after a month of chaos. Honestly, I feel much better physically and mentally too. And seriously, now you can see the room is so clean. You can look all around. Let me just turn on another light, and there you can see the floor is so clean. There is so much space around, but before it was looking so much messy and all. Now I have even cleaned my wardrobe. I have also cleaned, and it's totally clean. Let me just close it. And finally it feels so good now after cleaning my room. So see, it's looks so good. I've cleaned it all. So if you like this video, then do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel TPP Life. And if your room also require a clean, then do it right now, because I want you to be motivated after seeing this video. So let's go, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and we will meet in another great video. Till then, stay clean and bye bye.